Hi everybody. I was inspired to make this Moxon Vise by Stumpy Nubs and the Taylor Tools kit that was available. But I'm also very cheap, and so I thought, hey, I can get just some whatever hardware and do that myself for cheaper. And I did. But one of the things I did to attach the handles to these screws here, or the threaded rods rather, is I just used epoxy, but what I found is that I probably skimped on it, and so I'm gonna try it a little bit more. I'm gonna try it again with a little bit more epoxy and see if I can get it to stay better. So get the steel version. This is just JB Quick quick setting epoxy. It's supposed to set in 6 minutes. You want about equal amounts of both the steel and the hardener. I'm just eyeballing it there and thinking that might still be too little. And I'm just using a disposable mixer here that I can also use to apply the epoxy to my threaded rods. So you just want to get a really good mix there, good consistency, so you don't really see any more black or white, but just all gray, or whatever that color is. And then I'm going to scoop it out, get it on my threaded rods. And I want it to really fill in all of the threads, because last time I just didn't get enough coverage, I think. And so it stuck, but didn't have a terribly strong bond. And so then when I was applying a little more pressure than I could handle, the handles came off. So I want to fill that in all the way around. All right. Hoping that is sufficient. All right, and the other side. Yeah, this is a lot more epoxy than I used last time. So we'll see if it actually sticks. So it says 6 minutes to set, and then I think it's 4 to 6 hours to cure, and maybe longer if it's below 40 degrees, which it definitely is not under 40 degrees here. It's not particularly high, but yeah. So, all right, then check back in 4 to 6 hours and we'll see how well it's holding. Thanks, that's it for now. See you next time.